MACH is an exhibition that is full of the latest and greatest technology, and of course you're going to see that on the Carfullen Group stand with all of the Stratasys machines. Wow, Rob, what are you going to bring to the table at MACH this year?
Hi there, Lindsay. Yes, so we're going to bring all of the Stratasys technology to you at MACH. Specifically, we're going to be bringing a lot of our FDM technology. You know, MACH's known for being quite an engineering-heavy technology show, and so we believe that FDM is a real key technology for those people.
Explain, what is FDM?
So FDM's fused deposition modelling. It's a well-known technology in the 3D printing world. It was invented by Stratasys. The founder, Scott Crump, actually invented that process about 35 years ago. And we've found just recently that there's a lot of applications on the shop floor where FDM technology specifically can be very, very useful.
35 years. I mean, just think of all of that technology, how much it's come on. Give me some examples of who's using it out there and what is it that people want from your technology in a machine shop?
So it's a multitude of things really. So everything from prototype parts to allow people to take a part through processes. So for instance, printing a component off, taking it through to metrology, writing programs around it, giving the part to their customer so they can see what they're going to get before they commit to machining it, all the way through to machining parts for fixturing, assembly fixtures, soft jaws even. We've got materials now that can really help you to replace metal components on the shop floor.
And what's great is the fact that you're willing to, not at MACH, but print a part for free for customers who are coming to the stand.
Absolutely, yeah, that's something that we always look to offer to people. You know, if you're waiting to be convinced that 3D printing is something that can be useful to you, come along, have a chat with us, and we can take away one of your actual files, we can print that for you, and you can give it a try yourself.
And you're giving away VIP tickets to the British Grand Prix as well.
That's right, yeah, so we've got these tickets available. You can either click the link on this post or come and join us at the show and register your details, and you know, those tickets are available to be won.